Welcome to Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. And we certainly love remaking blazers here and definitely have some really cool remakes coming up. But here's a few tips on different ways to style your blazers in 2020. And definitely subscribe for all the amazing remakes and styling to come. Alright, you may think it's pretty basic to style your blazers with jeans, but try pairing a fancier blazer like this one that I added lace to with some super chill two-tone jeans. And these both are upcycles on my channel, and the links to any upcycle that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box. But I really just love how an interesting pair of jeans can make a blazer look so edgy. I could have paired this blazer with a dress and had a super dressy look, but this is definitely more my style, and it definitely makes this blazer more versatile. And here's another example that's actually a sneak peek of an upcoming video, so I can't show you too much. So what if you want to wear your blazer with a dress? Why not try a mini dress? I actually don't wear mini dresses that often, but I just couldn't pass on this little giraffe print slip dress at the thrift store. I paid maybe $4 for it, and to keep it fun and comfy, try wearing sneakers. I'm telling you, wearing sneakers with my skirts and dresses has definitely made me want to wear dresses more often. Alright, have you ever thought of layering your blazers? Here I wore the blazer as a top and layered this upcycle overall bib on top, and once again with the two-tone jeans and heels. This is definitely one of my favorite looks because I really just love to give clothes that I wear over and over again the same way a new life by wearing them in a completely different way. And if you do have a thin enough blazer, you could also just tuck it into your pants and wear it as a top. Now you could get super casual and just wear your blazers with sports pants. I've talked about this before on my channel, but if you're just having a chill kind of bummy day or maybe even a bad day and you need to run an errand or go to a kid's school or casual meeting, just throw on a blazer and it will instantly elevate your look. This is literally just a tank top and jogging pants, and look, now I can go into the world ready for almost whatever. And sports pants can also do the same thing as jeans and balance out a dressier top half. Here I have on this silk blouse and a blue blazer and added these green track pants, and it made this look so much cooler. Now before I give you my top tip for styling blazers, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are on the march to 100,000 subscribers, trying to do our best to get there very soon. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And also, everyone, please share this video or one of my other videos on your social media. Whatever your favorite video is, go share it so that everyone knows all the awesome stuff that's going on this channel. All right, let's get into it. All right, my top tip for styling blazers in 2020 is to try pairing them with shorts. I thrifted this suit set for maybe $2, and I absolutely love the color, material, and print, but the pants were no bueno. Like, they were not what I wanted. So I turned them into shorts, threw on a t-shirt and some heels with it, and now this is a look. And the great thing about converting pants to shorts is that you get to pick the length of shorts that's right for you. And this look can absolutely be done with any shorts. Here you see it with my Blueprint signature blazer and shorts. With denim shorts, it gives it a completely different vibe. And if you didn't know, I'm quite partial to these pieces because they're part of my clothing line coming out this spring. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are as well. And the tutorial for this blazer is coming out next week. So definitely subscribe because you do not want to miss that. So that's 5 ways to style your blazers for 2020. Which one are you excited to try this year? And what else do you want to see me style? All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.